Hey guys, Crystal Thompson here for Unity today on Color Combos with Crystal. We are doing a very summery card using the Take Another Shot, which is a brand new kit from Unity. I have pre-colored and stamped my little camera, and I am using two colors of Stampin' Up! Ink in Frilly Flamingo and Mint Macaroon. We're going to be doing some ink smooshing, so I'm going to stamp the actual stamp pad onto a piece of acetate. Then next to it, I'm going to do the Mint Macaroon right next to it. And for the centerpiece, I'm going to be doing a yellow. And all of these products are water-based ink. So what's going to happen, it's going to get wet and it's going to allow us to do some ink smooshing. We're going to place our card base, which is a 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. We're going to smoosh it into that beautiful spritz color, and then we're going to pull it up, and it's going to allow us to place our other items. I'm going to grab a little bit of a paper towel just in case I need to grab some of the dripping color, and then we're going to allow it to dry before we stamp our sentiment. We are going to grab that little camera from Take a Shot, and then we're going to grab the two little Polaroids frames from the same kit. Alright, we're going to add some foam adhesive to the back of the camera and remove any excess that we have. We're going to add about 3 pieces just to make it thick enough to hold the whole thing. Then we're going to grab the frames from Take Another Shot and add it to the back of that foam. And what this is going to do, it's going to, 1, serve as adhesive, and 2, really create some layering and dimensions. We're going to place the whole thing on our smooshed cardstock, and you want to be sure that this is dry before you stamp your sentiments. So I have the captured the good times, and what we're going to do, we're going to ink it up with black ink, and then we're going to stamp it on the bottom left corner of the card. You might need to lift your other embellishments if you need to, or you can stamp it first and then put your embellishments. And then that does it. We're going to keep it really clean, really simple, not a lot of different little embellishments. Thank you so much for joining me today on Color Combos with Crystal. We're creating a pretty pastel with one of the newest sentiments from Unity Stamp Company. Thank you so much. Have an amazing day.